Okay, so let's try to balance this equation. And I'm going to rewrite it so we can put the molar coefficients in front of these uh, compounds. All right, so first I'm going to draw a line down the middle where the yield arrow is. And then we're going to start with P with phosphorus. So for phosphorus, there is one phosphorus over here on the left side of the green line of the yield arrow. So that's going to be 1. And on the right side of the yield arrow, there is one phosphorus right there. So that's going to be 1. Then let's move to chlorine. So we have Cl. And over here on the left side of the yield arrow of the green line, there's 5 Cl's. And then on the right side of the green arrow, there's only 1 Cl. And then all we have left are H's and O's. So remember, you save your H's for last. So Ho and Ho. So now on the left side of the green line of the yield arrow, there are 2 H's, and on the right side of the green arrow of the yield arrow of the green line, there's 3 H's right here and 1 H right here in the HCl. So that makes 4 H's. And then for oxygen, there is on the left side there's 1 oxygen, and on the right side there are 4 oxygens. Okay, so let's look at the phosphorus first. We have 1 phosphorus on the left and 1 phosphorus on the right, so that checks out. Then we have 5 chlorines on the left and only 1 chlorine on the right. So we need to turn this 1 chlorine on the right into 5 chlorines. Now how do we do that? Well, here's the chlorines up here, HCl. And so we're going to have to make this a 5HCl in order to change this into 5 chlorines. But that also changes the number of hydrogens on the right. So we had 3 hydrogens in the H3PO4, and now we have 5 hydrogens in the HCl. So that makes a total of 8 hydrogens. So let's change that. So now we have 5 chlorines on the left, 5 chlorines on the right. Now we're down to the hydrogens. We have 2 hydrogens on the left and 8 hydrogens on the right. So if we only have 2 hydrogens on the left, we need to change that into 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. So we're going to want to put 4 in front of this H2O. So that 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So that also changes the amount of oxygens in this H2O. So now there are 4 oxygens on the left. So we're going to cross that 1 out and turn that into 4. And so now we have 8 hydrogens on the left, 8 hydrogens on the right, and we have 4 oxygens on the left and 4 oxygens on the right. So the answer is going to be PCl5 plus 4H2O yields H3PO4 plus 5 HCl's. And there's your balanced equation.